Introducing Docsie, an AI-powered knowledge base platform. Docsie revolutionizes compliance certification documentation management for manufacturing firms, ensuring unparalleled efficiency. An avant-garde knowledge base software revolutionizing compliance certification documentation for manufacturing firms. Docsie offers a plethora of robust features tailored to streamline your processes seamlessly. In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, compliance with industry standards is paramount. With Docsie, you'll discover a suite of tools tailored to streamline your compliance processes and ensure regulatory excellence. Shelf. Docsie simplifies the process of categorizing compliance certification documentation. Whether your documents adhere to ISO 9001:2015, SOC 2, or other industry standards, the shelf feature allows you to seamlessly assign them to specific categories or folders. Book. Gain instant access to dedicated books for each compliance standard. Docsie ensures that your documentation is neatly organized and easily accessible, allowing your team to navigate through regulatory requirements with ease. Sections. Navigate through your compliance documentation seamlessly with Docsie's intuitive table of contents feature. From overview sections to detailed requirements, find the information you need in seconds, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Comment. Facilitate seamless collaboration within your compliance team with Docsie's comment feature. Tag team members to verify information, initiate discussions, and assign tasks, fostering effective communication and accountability. Fragment template. Standardize your compliance documentation process with Docsie's fragment template feature. Create reusable templates for common sections of your documents, ensuring consistency and saving valuable time in document creation. Article template. Streamline your documentation workflow with Docsie's article template feature. Easily create standardized documents based on predefined templates, maintaining consistency and clarity across all your compliance documentation. Snippets. Accelerate the documentation process with Docsie's snippets feature. Insert commonly used sentences or tables into your documents with ease, reducing manual effort and ensuring accuracy in your compliance documentation. Version. Stay current with the latest compliance standards using Docsie's version feature. Track document revisions and changes based on yearly updates, ensuring that your compliance documentation reflects the most recent regulatory requirements. Language. Expand your reach with Docsie's language support. Deliver localized information to viewers across different regions and languages, ensuring clear communication and understanding of compliance requirements worldwide. Project management. Monitor the progress of your compliance certification documentation with Docsie's project management tools. Track tasks, deadlines, and milestones, empowering your team to stay organized and focused on achieving compliance objectives. Docsie revolutionizes compliance certification documentation management for manufacturing firms, ensuring unparalleled efficiency. By seamlessly organizing documents, it streamlines collaboration and ensures regulatory adherence. Its robust features enable companies to stay abreast of regulatory changes, fostering agility and compliance excellence. Docsie's user-friendly interface simplifies complex documentation tasks, empowering teams to focus on core objectives rather than administrative burdens. Through centralized access and version control, it enhances accountability and accuracy in compliance processes. Manufacturing entities leverage Docsie to navigate intricate regulatory landscapes with confidence, optimizing workflows and mitigating risks. Ultimately, Docsie empowers firms to excel in compliance management, fostering industry-leading standards and operational integrity.